icon or URL icon, so which shows here when you're typing a website. So for example, if I type very website, I can see an icon here, a V icon with a pink shade at the back. So, or if I type Google here, so it will have an icon of a Gmail here, for example. It will have an icon. So this is like a website or URL icon. If you want to create that for your blog or website, you can go to appearance, you can click customize, and you can go to site identity like that. Click file, then click new. I'll just pause that for a moment. Then you click site identity, and then if you have a look at this one, this is site icon. What you do is you select the image you want to be shown, and I have already uploaded the image in media library, but if you don't have it, you can just upload it from here, select files and upload from your thing. But I already have it in media library, so I'll select the egg because Easter is coming. So for example, I want to select the egg. I'll just select this, and so I'll just skip cropping, and I want it, for example, to look like this. So it will show like this, and I will just what I'll do is I'll publish it like that, and like that. So what I'll do is I'll go to my website. Okay, so I'll again go to my website. I think I've just done it. So if you have a look, on top you can see the egg appearing, which was not before. So on top, on the URL, above the URL, you can see the egg published. So if I type my website again, puts login, and you can see the icon that I've just uploaded, which is an egg. So it's a site icon, and so you can have that for your own website, which is quite nice, I think. So it's really nice to view, and many websites have like that.